Hello guys, today I want to show you my new power wrapper made all by myself. Some stuffs I made it myself, some stuff I buy. First we're gonna start with the base. It's from 1.8 millimeter thick galvanized steel. The length is 270 millimeter, so I can make longer rods. Then we have the aluminium V-slots, 3 pieces, 2 1 millimeter, and the next one 40 centimeter. The base was pre-holed on the laser, so the aluminium profiles are perfectly straight. Then next we have the carriage wheels, the holder. The wheels I made by myself. I searched for the internet, I didn't find with O-ring anywhere, and after I made them I found on AliExpress named Buna O-ring, so a weird name for it, and it's adjustable. This one I prefer to leave it a little loose, just to stay on the rod, fix it. The wheels are made from two kind of steel, 1 millimeter and 2 millimeter. Inside I put a bearing so it can freely rotate. All designed on at my work on a laser, bended by a colleague. Next, this one I bought from AliExpress. I will show you the link in the description. The wheel with this one, the little one, 2 on AliExpress, even with the belt. They are 4.1 ratio. The motor is from an old RC car from Children's, 24 volts DC, but I use a 12 volts transformer. Here is the switch, and I show you. I made a pedal, and inside it's a switch from a screwdriver, old screwdriver, that has a variable speed, and it's already with spring, so I didn't need to put and you see I can turn very slow on 12 volts. If I put 24 it will go too fast, and I can go very fast too. Nice and slow. Good. Next thing is the thread carriage with 2 spool holder and tensioners. The thread passes by here, or here from that one, here, and directly to the rod. And this one, down it has 4 wheels that are used for 3D printers that rolls on 20 by 20 V profile aluminium. And this one, it passes on the side, that all along where I need. I just move it, and even when I making the wrap, I move it slowly how I need. The stand for reels I only open the screws and I can move them freely when I need. All 3 of them. I didn't think it's necessary 4, so I only made 3. All adjustables on length. Same like this. I didn't want to pay $600 on a power wrapper when I knew I can make it by myself. I worked at least 1 month, but I'm happy that it's made by me, and I will work with something made by me, like I also fish with rods made by me. So thank you for watching, and new video soon with wrapping, rod buildings, repairing, all kind of stuffs. So thank you guys, see ya.